I just have to keep going.
ده 39 وهذا الاحمر comme les hommes c'est les كردوا هاي العساية ودوك الجون هذه الجون الثاني انا لا
Dobra, salata.
وش كل يمدح
Hello, so this is what I like to do each Saturday and Wednesday. I like to take some walking sessions to explore and see the beautiful nature and just don't think about anything, just observing the nature and its surrounding. It's a routine that I always do. It's not always, sometimes I miss them, but not that much. So now I'm going to run. I run always in the afternoon. So this is the place that I always run in. Is it amazing? Look how beautiful the mountain. Since the place that I live in, we have a small town which is a rural country. And this side, I like to go here where no one can see me. Only I'm the only one who's running. Yeah. Usually runners also run here. I meet them sometime. So let's do a pause. Just want to tell you, does this place remind you of something? Yeah. It looks like Los Angeles. I'm sweating and it's so hot and the sun is so burning. Because I went earlier. This time I went earlier to film these small portions of my running routine. I run like every Tuesday and Friday, and the remaining days I just practice sport in my home. I like going to the wild and explore all the beautiful nature. Look, it is rocky weather. It's called Exaric when this type of environment is called Exaric. So let's keep running. Hello guys, so as you can see I'm in the middle of nowhere since I was running, and this is a place that I always run in, and I usually run Tuesday and Friday 2 days, and the remaining days I just practice daily, like do some heat, which is high intensity training. So what I want to say, as you can see, it is very hot at the moment, but it's okay, just have to keep going. What I want to tell you is, if you want to succeed in whatever what you want to do, you gotta struggle. Like, you know that saying, pain no gain? Yeah, actually it's true. And I just realize it every day in my daily life. In every challenge, I realize if I don't push myself or make efforts, like I'm not going to see any results. And it's really so true. If we don't struggle, like we don't achieve what we want to reach. Like as you can see, I'm struggling. My English is not that good, but I'm struggling to speak in. But it's okay. Yeah, this is it. I just have to keep going. And also, at the moment, I was struggling with filming this part because now I'm filming some shorts from my running routine. And it's really not that easy, like to carry that tripod. I bring my bag, then I put my bag in a hidden place so no one can see it, and just took the tripod and running with it, like to take shots, which is really hard. But it's at the end, I believe the result is delicious. Yeah, what we should do only is just to enjoy the process throughout this challenge that we are facing, and don't let the fear stop us from taking the action toward that thing that we want to do. Yeah, for real. Like we start taking or holding our phones and seeing only others succeed instead of being the ones who succeed or the ones who takes action. It is such a struggle. Lately, I've been struggling a lot, like consuming content without creating. And we should be creating over consuming, not consuming over creating, because consumption is a very important thing in our lives. If we don't consume, we don't get maybe an idea of how we want to our videos to be, or our work or our creative career, how we want it to be, because it teaches us consuming. But sometimes we overdo it, like we don't do anything, like we only keep consuming content that we will not bring value to us. Yeah, and that takes us to the point that we should only consume content that bring value to us and help us achieve that goal. So we gotta struggle. But believe me, if you only enjoy the struggle, because the moment you see the result, like it's such a relief. We feel happy and motivated to move forward. And each ending of a challenge creates another challenge. This is life. Yeah, when we come to realize it. So just keep going and never think about the struggles. Just start, and don't aim for perfection, because it's never done, especially in these ages. Like perfection has been a toxic thing to us. So I hope you found this video helpful. I try my best to make it short, not that long, just to motivate you to move forward your goals and dreams that you want to achieve, and just enjoy that struggle. And you're not the only one who's struggling. We all struggle to achieve that goal. Yeah, so keep smiling and keep doing what you love and never give up. See you in another video. I'm going to complete running.